In this video, I will show you how to open text preset in CapCut. So if you want to get text preset in CapCut, so there is two methods to follow. So method number one, go to text and import the text in the timeline. So select the text and then go to this option, bubble and effects. So the first one, effects. So if you come to this effects, there is different presets that CapCut gives you. You can go ahead and use them on your editing in CapCut. So select anyone that you want to use, like this one. So if you select anyone, as you can see now, the editing will automatically be applied to your text. So you can go to this bubble, and here you'll be able to see different, as you can see now, preset that CapCut gives you for your editing. So the second method, after you import the second method, now you can use the presets, your own presets. Let's say you create your own presets and now you want to use them on your current editing. So to do that, go to the media, go to yours, go to my presets. Here you'll be able to see all the presets you created in the CapCut. So if you want to use it, import it to the timeline, right click on it. So go to this undo compound clip. So now come to the text. So here is it now. If you want to edit it, just select the text, go to text, media, basic. So under the basic here, you can just go ahead and edit the title and use them on your current editing. And that's it. If this video helps, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.